I'm do some violent ticks. One in your face to mix the 9 and 6. Then I drive and drift, laugh, like my split the girl of rap.
So don't mix the 9 and the 6 basically. Make sure y'all listen. Cause I want in your face. Alright. Alright.
Hey Stacy. Stacy, where you there?
Why outside?
Outside where?
Outside with the dunce dogs, with beads and slugs. We're my dogs from large east and south. Chat too much dog, this easy your mouth. Everything precise, no doubt. Outside with the dunce dogs, with beads and slugs. Keep it girl inside when the team jump.
Boom, 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 boom! What's good YouTube? It's your boy Tyrekevlogs, aka the reaction boss. And as you can see people, I am back in effect. You see me, I'm comfortable. I do the video them again. I don't know it chop already enough people. I don't know it chop, you know. Like up the video, subscribe to the channel if you guys are new. We're on the road to 30,000 subscribers. That's the goal for this year. You did me? We're gonna deal with it, you know. We're gonna deal with it, Alright, you messing up my squash. What that? Potus. Official video. It dropped yesterday, but you don't know, say, we're busy. I try to get the pum pum and waiting today. You know it chop already. We're telling everything what I go to now. Like tomorrow, I'm going to see a vlog tomorrow. I'm post it tonight. No, tomorrow. I max up. I max some pum pum tonight too. I feel like general. But anyway, so squash. Well, you can't take me seriously now. Well, squash, Potus. Official video, Potus. Potus is old people. Old people call people Potus, you know. Old people talking that. What go on Potus? Me Potus? You know them call young people Potus, or they call them pitting them Potus, or them grand pitting them Potus. You know what? I'll guard them. Jamaicans probably know that one. You ugly like preacher in arc or something like that. Yo, no, go on. Try too much. Squash, run tune. Alright then.
Some man say CJ.
Oh!
I'm bored now, mates.
Well, now pause. The squash, Potus, the pause bass is in full effect, people. So, say if you don't want to listen to the song, I watch it without me pausing it. Given the reaction, you click on the video. Link to the original audio or the video will be down below in the description of this video. Now, wussy girl, you know we're going to pause. Especially sexy girls, you know we're going to pause. So go on then the squash, we see what I go on for the video, man.
Automatic.
Challengers, dodge. I know Jamaican. I don't play it earth this day. I don't play it earth squash there. I don't play earth. I don't play it earth. You should just want to do a squash. Alright, go on. Go on.
In my pocket with 2 extra clip. All them send them bad and never shot nobody. All the bars clean, so one on the fabric. Tools, but
Oh, the bars clean, so. I don't know fabric. But oh, her ass big, so. I don't know surgery. Reaction bars. The video, like, you know, young boy, why be young boy never broke again. Last video, I made the L-cat them in the race and so. You see, I want to go on for squash video right, that's right now in that place, yeah. And the sexy body girl them too. Me ras. Go on, Terry, go on.
girl when you Hispanic. Oh, fuck them outside, pan a whip banning. Hey. Them a girl from my.
She a go on bad, pan that's something they do like. How I go on? What's up, baby? Really? Me know you like, man. It's alright. Go on, man. Watch the video still. Yeah, me see you again. Later, man. Me see you later.
And I spit pan it. Millions we make on a big pocket.
Yeah.
6 t-shirt, symbolic.
See that? Man say million. No. Millions. You see me I say? What me I talk about all that girl? Yo, she just hypnotized me. And that's why I get last a while ago. Me I pray her too much. You hear me? But me not talk about that. Go on.
Previous time on a drip on it. Yeah. Find a Mr. Whittaker, my name Mr. Rich.
Bumbo cleat. If I Mr. Whittaker, the man say name Mr. Rich. Mr. Rich. How rich am I call that? They not even call it a bumbo cleat Whittaker. Why not call it Whittaker? Squash, 6 bars. But I Mr. Rich as of now. Go on.
My take, that's why. Anyway, we got a lens focus. I saw we clean, so absurd.
Okay, me like that little scene there. Pick up yourself for that little scene there, Mr. Editor, Mr. Video Man. Focus the lens and thing, put on two. Alright, I take two pictures, I'm like that, but it will go the lens focus. Basically, I mean, say everybody are pray. Everybody want to see what go on. You see me, what squash up to now. If a boy girl squash, I go take no. That I go on, basically. You do me, I say, go on.
Us roll the Potus. I saw we do it, la boss. It burn them, so no matter we out, you know.
How we matter, you know? I saw me tan, man. How we matter? I don't like how you shape. Sorry. But how we matter, you know? You know, maybe we should have told my pause. Let me say should have done a little better. Maybe I told my pause.
We them a follow without a doubt. Now make some fool come draw we out. J6 lucky place, everybody know.
Me try analyze the booty, but John, oh dog. We don't know say G6 lucky place already. Everybody know. You see me I say, yeah man, big up on yourself. You see me I say, gotcha. I want me at the camera. I say edit. But they analyze the girl booty and the dad just distract me. Become hungry. Go on. And I'm hungry.
Yeah, every Glock for bus Chris. AK on my foot like my granny crutch stick. Press up a tick a couple times, do some violent tick.
Man, I use an AK as a walking stick. I saw them man have badness different. An AK as a walking stick. That means I use the month I get I can use them as bulletproof. You know, I'm stop it. That's a fucker. Never do that. Body girl there for that. Go on.
One in your face to mix the 9 and 6. Yeah, I drive and drift, laugh, like man, split the girl.
One in your face, don't mix the 9 and the 6. Alright, this. Hold on.
Drive and drift, laugh, like man, split the girl. Ride my dick. Glock for bus Chris. AK on my foot like my granny crutch stick. Press up a tick a couple.
Hold on, I have to pause. I have to sip to a little drink. Will you get it up, people? Last video, what have last video? Any? Right now, Aliko, you don't know it chopping. You me I say, Remy Martin, you know something like you don't know it chopping. You don't run for the boss. You know? This is, no, we see about clear, we just say this is like a bomber clot over your eye. But you don't know, look at Remy Martin, you don't know it chop. You're gonna get woozy tonight, you don't know it chop. But anyways, what am I say about 9 and 6 now?
I'm do some violent ticks. One in your face to mix the 9 and 6. Then I drive and drift, laugh, like man, split the girl of rap.
So don't mix the 9 and the 6 basically. Make sure you all listen. Cause I want in your face. Alright. Just to make sure that thing is saying. Man say my drive and my drift right now. You do me I say? And your girl go ride him dick or something like that me here. Go on.
My dick something gigantic. I love the fat pussy girl when I like panty. Never see.
Hold on, pause. Yo, in my drive and drift, a girl I ride my dick something black and what? I love the fat pussy girl when I like panty. Squash with them no boy, you dog. I love the fat girl them, the fat pum pum girl them. We don't like panty. I love them to you that shit even though go on squash.
With your girl, them have some dry land fish. Me full of Kyle, some bricks, tell some guy down this. Automatic. Glock in my pocket with 2 extra clip. Alright.
We get it. Bad, you're bad. Second verse, please.
Burn it. Millions for make a
second verse.
And make a race, my take others. Oh, we them a follow without a doubt. Nobody. How the boss clean, so one on a fabric. Previous time on a trip
second verse.
Find a miss out with coming do it so do it. That's why anywhere we got a lens focus.
Alright,
6 J6 badness, you wanna go already. You got to teach himself. Police.
When I bust so much, I mean you do that. Take up yourself still. Up and out. Outside, I get them outside. Freak. Be a big girl. Hey! Be a big girl. Hey girl. If you are so cocky, then do it. Nobody know for that. If you are freak, I love your mom more than I love your Annalie. I want to take you to the skin. You feel that drunk girl, me they like. Just do what you want, do. People check out that song, but it's been a while Tyrekevlogs boss. Pay.